Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we are talking about 10 most expensive homes in Colorado. There's no denying that Colorado is known for spectacular mountain ranges, amazing views, and of course, being one of the first states to legalize the use of recreational marijuana. What you may not know is that Colorado is also one of the top performing states in the United States in regards to the economy. This is why it should come as no big surprise that the state is also home to several multi-million-dollar mansions that seem intent on outdoing each other. From custom-built mansions that offer more than 15,000 theft of living space, which includes every inside extra you could possibly dream of, to homes built using materials handpicked from overseas and homes sitting on acres of prime real estate. Here are the 20 most expensive homes in Colorado. This list only includes single-family homes, so you will find properties that are more expensive in Colorado. However, these properties, such as Elk Mountain Lodge, operate as lodges and hotels where guests are invited. In other words, charged to stay. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Number 10. 2245 Blakesday Unit M, Denver, $80,205 to $12 million. This property is a luxury penthouse on the top 2 floors, covering 7,204 square feet. Each level has ample living space, and the floor-to-ceiling windows ensure unparalleled views of the city and surrounding mountain ranges. There is a gourmet kitchen on each level too, which is ideal for entertaining a large gathering. While the penthouse features just 2 bedrooms, 1 per level, they can easily be configured to 4 or 5 bedrooms as needed. A gaming area and a wet bar are also designed to maximize comfort when entertaining friends and family at the penthouse. Parking is not an issue here. There is ample parking in the underground structure of the building. Convenience is critical, and the architects factored this in the design phase of this project. There is an elevator outside the penthouse leading you down to the parking structure. Number 9. 41 Popcorn Lane, Aspen, $81,611 to $39.5 million. Situated on just over 4 acres along the banks of the Roaring Fork River, this 13,000 sq.ft. home includes 5 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, and 3 1/2 baths. Of course, there is also a 2-bedroom guest house, along with a separate 1-bedroom caretaker's cottage. It also features a top-of-the-line 6-car garage with opulent finishes of reclaimed Belgian black stone flooring and blue Bahia granite, a walk-in wine room and media room. Floor-to-ceiling windows make it easy to view the river, which is literally right outside the front door. As an added bonus for interested buyers, this home includes classic antique treasures collected worldwide specifically for their placement in this rare Aspen gem. Number 8. 14 and 29 41 County Road, Kremling, CO $80,459 to $39.8 million. Better known as High Plains Ranch, this 14,566 ft home sits on more than 6,000 acres of land in the Colorado Rockies and boasts amenities that are rarely seen with single-family homes. For example, it offers private ski slopes, a 10,500 sq.ft. barn, and a ski cabin for nights you just don't feel like going all the way back to the main house. By the way, the ski cabin is nicer than most of our everyday homes. The house was built in 2002 and includes 5 absolutely huge bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and a spectacular interior that features wood beams, stone walls, and what appear to be several trees growing through it. Number 7. 343 Willoughby Way, Aspen, $42.5 million. Right down the road from the 14th house on this list, this 5-bedroom, 6.5 bathroom home was constructed from Ipe wood and Spanish stone. Sitting on an acre of land, you'll find everything from a home theater, 2-story great room, and 2,000 bottle wine cellar to an exercise room and a spa with sauna and steam room within its 9,613 ft of living space. Just like the other homes, the floor-to-ceiling windows are an absolute must for taking advantage of the views of Aspen Mountain. Number 6. 565 Midnight Mine Road, Aspen, $81,611 to $42.5 million. Part of what was once known as Jigsaw Ranch, this 12,247 a contemporary style home includes 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, as well as a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom gatehouse. Essentially a private alpine village, it sits high up on more than 40 acres of land, looking down on Steeplechase, Aspen Highlands Bowl, and the Upper Castle Creek Valley. The details concerning this house, built in 2010, are scarce. Listings simply state there are too many world-class amenities to name. Number 5. 2900 Dewey Buttermilk Road, Aspen, KO $81,611 to $50 million. Built in 2006, this 15,664's fit home includes 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 3 1/2 baths, as well as a 2,000 caretaker's home. It boasts every conceivable amenity, including a theater, billiards room, private pub, private ski run, outdoor pool and hot tub, and a 3,000 vehicle maintenance center. Inside there are vaulted ceilings, beautiful wood accents, and a main living area that extends outside and includes a fireplace, heated and covered dining and lounging space, and a hot tub that looks out over the ski slopes. With 61 acres of land, this is the only property in the area that offers ski and ski out privileges. Number 4. Undisclosed address, Woody Creek, CO $81,656 to $52 million. Very little information is available about this 7,649 home that includes 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. What is known is that the 813-acre property features a home with a farmhouse-style design that was built in 2009. It is billed as a working ranch and luxury getaway that features Argentine maroon leather flooring, Navajo blankets covering the media rood ceiling, reclaimed antique wood, a copper bathtub, and outdoor hot tub. At one point, this house was on the market for $88 million, but over the years it has been reduced to the current asking price of $52 million. Number 3. 101220 Watson Divide Road, Snowmass, $81,654 to $58.5 million. Built in 2007, this 7-bedroom, 11-bathroom home with 18,000 last sold in 2016, so you shouldn't expect to see it on the market anytime soon. This home, which sits on 876 acres that includes 15 miles of private horseback riding trails and offers spectacular views of Capitol Peak, MT, Daly, and NT Sopris, has everything you could possibly want or need. This includes a private beach with a grotto and waterfall that cascades through 3 different pools. One is inside and has a planetarium-style roof, 4 fire pits, 2 outdoor fireplaces, 2 full outdoor kitchens with a brick pizza oven, Pudding Green, and a furnished teepee with gas heat for those nights you feel like roughing it outdoors. Inside, you'll find a movie theater with stage for karaoke, vitamin D-infused sauna, climate-controlled wine room, and massage room with a chemotherapy tub. Number 2. 115 Francisco Way, Telluride, $59 million. Designed and owned by Tom Cruise, this 289-acre property is considered to be one of the most exclusive estates in Telluride. The 10,000-foot main house was built in the 1990s, although it has been updated many times since, and offers 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. It was constructed using native stone and white bleached cedar timbers, and boasts plenty of extras, including a fitness center, library, rec room, and private elevator. For easy access, a helipad is situated on the property, as is a 1,600-square foot guest house that offers an additional 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. If you're interested, the property has been on the market for several years, so you just might get it for a little less than $59 million. Number 1. 155 and 200 Sabandier, Aspen, CO -$65 million. Built on 6 acres in 2010, this 18,000 square foot home, often referred to as Summit House, Includes 7 bedrooms and 7 full and 4 1/2 bathrooms, as well as a gorgeous glass/wood staircase, lounge with wet bar, game room, media room with wet bar, and of course, floor-to-ceiling glass windows that allow for unrivaled views of the Rocky Mountains. Outside, there are multiple decks that also ensure great views. One thing this property has that others don't is a 4,150 sq ft guest house. Yes, most of the others on the list do have a guest house, but not one that is bigger than the average American home's 2,600 sq ft. The property sits atop Aspen's infamous Billionaire Mountain. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.